is Cosmic 3-box random. 7th and final, 7. Mariners are at the bottom. 7 times. 7 times. Your names. Seven times 7. Jesse at the bottom gets Seattle. Everybody see who you got. If anybody wants to trade, you got a couple of minutes. Any trades? Feeling the Pujols. Guess the first auto for 20. Pretty sure there's a Cosmic PYT break that's getting kind of close. Maybe we'll put that up. Whatever moves after this. Got a Dynasty getting there. Bowman Hobby getting there. This is Chrome Cosmic. De La Cruz rookie. Die cut of Mookie Betts. Teoscar Hernandez, rookie of Spencer Torkelson. Jake Burger rookie and a Stephen Kwan rookie for the Guardians. Feeling it red. I'm feeling red. We have blue here. Blue to start the color. For the Stros, it's Jordan and Shlomovich. Jordan Alvarez blue, numbered 4/99. Jose Siri. Guy's a stud, honestly. Lodolo. Bobby Witt. Ryan Valade, rookie refractor. We got a scope of Aroldis Chapman for the Yanks. Autos and color. Looking for the autos and the numbered color. Cunha, refractor, Frankie Lindor for the Mets. Feels like something. Orange. Got an orange. For the Padres, Joe Musgrove orange. For less. That's numbered 1 of 25. Good night. Nighthawk. Mackenzie Gore. I got your Yanks on, Matt. A pitcher's duel. A good old-fashioned pitcher's duel. Die cut of Ken Griffey for Seattle. No auto in that box. Should be some autos lurking here. There's only one auto in the first 3 boxes of the case. So we know they're out there. Wait, Giancarlo's back? Mackenzie Gore rookie. Rookie refractor of Siri. They gave him a plane ticket to meet the team. Scope of Jake Burger, rookie for the White Sox. Would love to see some Stanton bombs back ASAP. Wow, what a trio. Stanton, Donaldson, and Tommy Kahnle. Bobby Witt, rookie. Jake Burger had a nice 9th inning homer today for my fantasy team. Little garbage time bomb. I think we have an auto here. Auto of Pete Alonso for the Mets and John O. Flying out of Dynasty continues out in Cosmic. Big Polar Bear Pete. Nice hit, John O. It's probably from one of those minis. What's up, Joe. Joe Hurd Pete. Antonio Cruz rookie. Rookie refractor of Josh Lowe. This kid's a stud. We got a blue for the Mariners of Haniger. Mitch Haniger to 99. Now we have gold and a supernova rookie of Torque. Joe O hitting with both his teams. Gold behind it of Bogey. Starting to heat up. John Zilla gets a gold Bogarts. Harper, die cut. One box to go there. Joe Ryan. Maybe squeeze out one more auto here. Or a red. Refractor rookie of Lodolo for the Reds. Scope of Tim Anderson. Die cut of Soto. Our first Julio rookie. Another Josh Lowe. Blue of Lodolo. Lodolo's everywhere for the Reds and Jesse. There's gold now for the Yankees of Aaron Judge. Nice for fourth quarter. 29/50 gold Judge. Nice hit, fourth. And then on the cover of the box, Wander rookie, refractor rookie Gavin Sheets. Scope Torque. Some nice non-auto color coming out here. Spencer Torkelson. Rookie Scope. Seiya Suzuki. Bryson Stott rookies. Die cut auto of Mark McGwire for the Cardinals. Unless that one is not numbered. On card die cut autograph with 3 packs to go. Nice, Les. That was a very nice box with the gold Judge. Die cut of Salvi. And the last pack as base. That is Cosmic. We're probably going to put up the PYT version of that. Got a little taste of it. PYT is about halfway. Might as well throw it up. 2 autos, the Judge Gold, a couple other blues, Torkelson, Supernova, Bogey Gold. The other blues, the orange of Musgrove,